Hey there, creative souls. Today, we're going to embark on a delightful adventure as we draw and color a charming cartoon turtle. Get ready to add a splash of fun to your day as we bring this adorable reptile to life on our canvas. Let's start by sketching the outline of our cartoon turtle. Picture its round shell, chubby body, and cute little flippers. Use light strokes to map out the basic shape and proportions, ensuring that our turtle looks adorable from every angle. Time to give our turtle some color. Choose bright and cheerful hues that will make our turtle pop with personality. Start with a base layer and then gradually add shading and highlights to give our turtle depth and dimension. And there you have it, a charming cartoon turtle ready to brighten up your day. We've transformed a blank page into a whimsical world of color and creativity. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring this adorable turtle with me today. Art is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so let your creativity soar. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your days be filled with endless inspiration.